Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office sitting at my desk. It is a cold and snowy January day, but I'm very excited because the postman just delivered my February Joyful Jordan box a few days early, and I'm excited to share it with you today. So welcome to my office. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and you may not know it, but I am actually a consultant with Jordan Essentials, and Jordan Essentials is a bath and body company out of Nixa, Missouri. All the non-toxic, healthy, botanically based ingredients are made right there in Missouri, and I love using the products around my home for my family and myself. And this is their monthly surprise box called a Joyful Jordan box. You can get the box for $25. That price will be changing in the month of February. So this is the last month here in January to get it at $25. It's just going up a little bit to $29, but there's going to be an even better value on the box. So currently it is valued at $35 or more, and is guaranteed to have a wonderful collection of our non-toxic bath and body products. And of course, if you do subscribe and have the box automatically shipped out each month, then you pay $0 for shipping, which is awesome. So it's really fun just to see what comes in the box each month, and I love it that I get to order it for free and get it early and share it with you, and that way we all get a little something fun to look forward to each month. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this February Joyful Jordan box. And as you can see, the box is a cute little box. It says open a little joy on the side. The back is ready to go for gifting or shipping. So this is also something fun. You can send a subscription to someone if you want to have a little fun box of personal care items to send out. And these boxes are always a little box of awesomeness. And in the box, we'll have a card that tells us a little bit about the products in the box. So this one for the month of February is actually celebrating the anniversary of the company beginning. So back in 2000 is when Jordan Essentials first started. It actually was created initially as Country Bunny Bath and Body. So if you've been around a while, you may remember that name. And so this month in February, we're celebrating, and the card says celebrate you. So let's flip it over and see what goodies are in the box this month. So first off, we have one of our classic signature products that's been around since the very beginning, the Oatmeal Milk and Honey Lotion Bar. And that is this product right here. It comes in this cute little tin, which travels easily. It's great to throw it in your purse or your backpack. I also like to keep one open in my car in the center console, and that way I always have a lotion bar ready to go. And it is moisturizing, safe, healthy, and handy. Simply open the tin, place the bar in your hands, and rub on for smooth and soft skin. Works well for hands, elbows, and feet too. And with the dry winter air, I especially have been grabbing for my lotion bars quite often. Even my husband, who works with his hands in a factory and tends to have drier skin, he has been using a lotion bar now and then just to help protect his skin, because the beeswax works great on sealing in moisture and really giving an added layer of protection to your skin. This is the lotion bar that I keep at my desk. So this is also the Oatmeal Milk and Honey scent, and as you can see, it just looks like a little bar of soap, but this is actually a beeswax based product. So you're just going to warm it in your hands for a few seconds. And of course, with beeswax, it is a little tacky at first, but then because the beeswax will melt into your skin at body temperature, it'll soon be just soft and moisturized, and your skin's going to feel great. And I especially like to work the lotion bar into my cuticles. So you saw I usually do a little extra application on the cuticles and my fingernail areas, and that way I can moisturize and get the tips of my fingers ready to go. And with that little bit of tackiness at the beginning, it's also a nice product to keep at my desk because I can use it like a sticky tack, and I just swipe my fingers a few times if I need to grab a stack of paper, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so let's take a look at the next item. Then we have the Helio spray. So we have our Helio Skin Superfood, which is one of our signature and best-selling products in our catalog. And this has a blend of magnesium, helichrysum, which is an essential oil that helps with healing, green tea, aloe, and wintergreen. And they all work together to ease minor pains caused by deep or chronic inflammation of joints and muscles. So I have our Helio Skin Superfood in a lotion and in a spray. I keep the lotion on hand for my wrist. Sometimes I get a little carpal tunnel or tendonitis that'll flare up in my wrist or my shoulder, and this is a great, easy product to apply and help soothe that pain, and then I'm good to go. I like having this little mini spray bottle because I can throw that in my purse or my bag and take that with me on the go. And that is not in our catalog in this size. So this is a really good, fun little travel size product that you can get only with this Joyful Jordan box for February. And then we have our unscented magnesium lotion. So this is another unique and key product to our line. It's one of our best sellers. I have a lot of clients that use it. I use it myself. My family uses it. It's really our go-to product for just general aches and pains and wellness. I use it to help me sleep better every night. And it says, this go-to lotion is perfect to help soothe achy and tired muscles, or enjoy it as a smooth and hydrating lotion for your skin. Enriched with organic ingredients like aloe, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, and magnesium. So again, I love having this little travel size bottle. This is great to keep in your gym bag or throw into your suitcase if you're going on a little trip. It's a 2-ounce bottle, or this is also a really nice item to gift. So with Father's Day and Mother's Day just a few months away, this would be a really nice one. You could pair the two together and have a really nice gift for someone special in your life. So that is in our catalog, as well as the Lotion Bar. So these two products you can get in the catalog in these sizes, but the Helio spray in the little 1-ounce bottle is unique and exclusive to the box. And the other item that is exclusive to this February 2022 Joyful Jordan box is this Energy Magnesium Stick. So this says, invigorate your senses and enhance your energy level with orange, peppermint, lemon, eucalyptus, and frankincense essential oils. So we have had this collection of essential oils as a blend in our catalog. We've had it as a roll-on application where the essential oils are blended with jojoba oil and grapeseed oil, so you can easily just apply it to your skin. So this is an extra special stick, which also has the benefits of the magnesium oil. And I will show you what this looks like. So it's kind of like just a giant tube of lip balm. It's that same beeswax base. So just like the Lotion Bar, it's going to melt into your skin, but it also has the addition of those essential oils and the magnesium added. So this would be another good one. If I'm tired sitting at my desk and trying to work for the day, I could apply this anywhere that my wrist pain is kind of flaring up, and then also have the benefit of the aroma of those wonderful essential oils to help give me a little boost of energy. And this is exclusive to this Joyful Jordan box for February. So this is another really awesome item. And again, you could gift this to someone. Of course, with Valentine's Day around the corner, this would be a really nice box. You could break it up into some smaller gifts, or the whole box itself would be a wonderful gift for a friend, for a spouse, or a partner, even just for yourself. If you want to give the gift of some wellness and healthy skincare to yourself this February. So just doing a little quick math, the value on the box, I believe, is around $41.50, $42, something like that. So at $29, this is a really awesome deal on some great products, and I'm excited to have this for the month of February. So again, this is your February 2022 Joyful Jordan box. And like I mentioned, this box will be available February 1st to the 28th. I will put my link down below in the description in case you're interested in picking up one for yourself or for a friend or loved one. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.